maintenance execution with SAP S/4HANA. As a maintenance planner, my job is to plan, schedule, and coordinate maintenance resources, parts, materials, and equipment access. In the past, I often lacked time to plan for maintenance, and I didn't always have sufficient details about work quality or the ability to communicate effectively with the maintenance team. But now I can use SAP S/4HANA to manage maintenance effectively. For example, I just learned that one of our pumps is broken, so I need to trigger and execute the repair process by creating a report about the malfunctioning object. And to ensure optimal operations, I need to efficiently document and process the required but unplanned maintenance tasks. In my report, I describe the problem, the pump's abnormal noise, its related effect, and the failure mode, which is a problem notification. These notes ensure good documentation and the communication needed to execute the required maintenance. I also can add an attachment with further information. After saving my notes, I realized I forgot to provide information about the planned, anticipated maintenance effort, so I quickly add it. I can easily call up the job details section to add the specific parts we need for performing the maintenance task. I see that a replacement valve is required for the repair, so I add it from the bill of materials. I also add the socket head screw that is needed. Now I can send this detailed report to the warehouse technician so they can address the malfunction in a productive manner. By documenting and processing unplanned maintenance tasks efficiently, I can carry out the maintenance requirements quickly and correctly. SAP S/4HANA provides maintenance planning functionality that helps my company proactively manage preventive maintenance and condition-based maintenance, and perform maintenance activities that improve safety, environmental impact, and operational results. Get started on your digital journey today. Visit sap.com/transformation navigator to learn more.